Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to unbox this. So this is a Tooned Twinmill. I'm really sick of getting the Twinmills nowadays, because literally every box and every special edition or some shit is having this Twinmill and again, which is really pissing me off, man. They could have gone with some other casting. Literally there are a lot of castings. They could have just picked anyone, but again they went with the Twinmill. Dude, I'm really getting exhausted. Okay, let's open this and see how this one actually looks. So I did buy a Tooned Twinmill back then, but the green one, in last year's set, but I didn't even unbox that. It's still there. So if anyone really wants a Tooned Twinmill from last year's pack, that 150 rupees pack, just DM me and I will give it to you guys. I will sell it to you guys. Okay, here it is. Okay, so paint job looks really shitty. There are a lot of irregularities here. You can literally touch and feel that. So no other details for headlights or tail lights. Plastic chassis, plastic tires. Okay, I know it's a huge rear wheel, but honestly, man, I'm really not a fan of Twinmill now. I have a lot of Twinmills now. The Indian Hrithik Roshan's that Team Extreme Edition. That's the only thing I personally loved so much. The green one, you can see it in my playlist. And there is one more which is a blue one. I didn't even unbox that 5 packet. And there is that green one that also I didn't unbox. There is a Braille one that I also didn't unbox. And here is the one which I unboxed actually, just to show you this set. Honestly, nothing much is going on in this casting, man. It is okay. You can give it to your kids to play with. Let's do a roll test. Doesn't even roll really well, It is occupying the whole track, It makes a lot of noise and it really doesn't really roll really well. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.